Welcome to OneTouch IoT. This is OneTouch Smart Alarm Sensor Kit with one hub, two key fobs and two smart sensor, that is one magnetic door contact and one motion sensor. We can integrate as such 30 sensor with this single hub, and apart from that we can integrate third party smart cameras and third party smart LED bulbs, like this is Wipro's. Such 800 different brands are available on this platform, and we can integrate it with this hub. This is the OneTouch IoT app. I'm going to demonstrate you an automation of if this then that. Under more, we have set an automation of when SOS has been pressed, this Wipro LED bulb will turn on. So let's press the SOS. Can disarm it. Thank you.